Matapos ang ilang araw na pagkaka-deactivate ng Facebook ng suspendidong alkalde ng Bamban Tarlac na si Mayor Alice Guo, ay naglabas ito ng panibagong pahayag. Sa pagkakataong ito, pinaliwanag ni Mayor Alice ang dahilan kung bakit hindi siya nakadalo sa unang 2 hearing sa Senado na naging sanhi ng paglalabas ng arrest order laban sa kanya. Marinding itinanggi ni Mayor Alice ang balitang may kinalaman siya sa death threat na natatanggap ni Senator Win Gatchalian. Ayon sa alkalde, wala siyang kakayahang gawin ang sinasabi ng senador at hindi din umano dapat isisi sa kanya ang lahat ng mga issue na kinakaharap ngayon ng Pogo. Ang totoo nga daw, ayon pa sa alkalde, ay siya umano ang nakakatanggap ng death threat online magmula nang lumabas ang issue ng Pogo.
I regret that I was unable to attend the last 2 Senate hearings due to the severe exhaustion and trauma I have experienced following the earlier hearings and the numerous cases filed against me. My primary priority now is my health and peace of mind so that I can properly address all the legal issues directed at me. While multiple open cases have been filed against me, I am deeply concerned about and keep questioning why Senator Win Gatchalian, Senator Risa Hontiveros, and the other officers seem fixated on me. If they have evidence against me, I am ready to face them in a fair trial and at a proper forum. Respectfully, I do not wish to be used by anyone to boost their political ambitions. Our country faces many critical issues such as national security, poverty, unemployment, food shortage, health care delivery, environmental degradation, and human rights violations. I appeal to them to focus on their attention on these problems instead of continuously threatening me with arrest and accusing me of being complicit in various Philippine offshore gaming operations, Pogo-related crimes, which are untrue and unfounded. Am I really the country's biggest problem that they need to focus on? Or they just want to project me as the antagonist villain? More importantly, I assure the public and Senator Win Gatchalian that I do not pose any threat to him or to anyone. I believe and adhere to the rule of law and not to the rule of man. Especially, I categorically deny any involvement in the death threats received by Sen. Win Gatchalian. I have no capacity, much less intent to cause any harm against anyone. In fact, I myself have been receiving actual and online threats since the start of this issue. I am well aware of the feeling of receiving threats against my person, safety, and security. Thus, I strongly condemn such inhuman or callous attacks. The news linking me to various accusations is baseless, and they are just trying to implicate me. I have nothing to do with these issues. But I am being accused of all sorts of things because I am currently at the center of public attention. If anyone can disregard my right to data privacy by prying into my personal records, they will know whether I have left the Philippines without simply asking the BID or the DFA, as I do not hold a Chinese passport. I therefore join the call for the authorities to investigate on the matter so the innocent ones will not be dragged into this. Lastly, I appeal to everyone to focus on facts, not on mere opinions and character assassination.
Samantala, sa gitna ng issue ng suspendidong alkalde ay patuloy pa din ang pagsuporta na natatanggap ni Mayor Alice mula sa kanyang mga constituent. Don't mind them, Mayora, we're here for you. We know those threats are just a setup, a way to distract you from that truly matters. But we believe in you, Mayora. We see your kind heart, your genuine spirit, and we know you're stronger than they think. We're always here to support you, so keep fighting for your Kabamban. I may not be from Bamban, but my support is 100% yours. Keep fighting po. We're with you every step of the way. Remember, Mayora, you're not alone. We see your strength, your resilience, and your determination. Don't let anyone dim your light. Keep shining, Mayora. You've got this. God crowned you for being a mayor, and being a mayor, you will step forward and fight back in good way, even they throw you a pain away. Life was just game, sometimes you will lose but you make a way to solve the puzzle and its level until you will win. Maligayang pagbalik, Mayora. Laban lang po, Mayora, wag po kayo mawala ng pag-asa. Nandito po kaming lahat para suportahan ka at ipaalam sa'yo na hindi ka nag-iisa sa mga laban o hamon sa iyong buhay. Muli maligayang pagbalik po, Mayora. Mayor Alice Liao Guo, andito lang kami, Mayora, nakasuporta sa'yo at sobrang labo na gagawin nyo yon. Keep praying for you always. Our heart and belief are with you. Kahit na super sakit, I love you po. Always, Mayora, Bamban are still waiting for you. Sasayaw pa po tayo ng dayang-dayang, your favorite dance. Miss ka na po ng mga taga-bundok and Bamban. Keep fighting, Mayora. Hindi pa tapos ang laban. Nandito kami mga suporta sa'yo at handa ka namin ipanglaban sa lahat ng mga bumabati ko sa'yo. Remember po, di ka nag-iisa sa laban na ito. We love you and we miss you, Mayora. Welcome back. Thank you dahil di ka sumuko, lumalaban ka pa din. Thank you dahil binigyan mo ng ngiti ang aming mga labi ngayong gabi sa pagbabalik. Laban lang, Mayora. Nandito lang kami. Lagi nakasuporta sa'yo at di ka namin iiwan hanggang sa huling hininga namin. Maligayang pagbalik, Mayora. Laban lang po, Mayora. Malalagpasan niyo rin po yung may awa ng Diyos. Gusto ko lang po masabihin sa'yo na nandito kami lahat para suportahan ka sa bawat hamon na dumarating sa'yo at sa pamilya mo. Maligayang pagbabalik. Fighting Sour Alicia, we're still here to support you. Never get tired proving yourself to them that you're innocent. We're still waiting until you came back. We really miss all your programs here in Bamban and also your genuine smile. Again, keep fighting our Alicia.